This video series shows how to commission the CMMT-AS drive with Festo PLC via EtherCAT using Festo PTP function block. The same procedure can be followed to commission the CMMT-SD drive. Downloading the CODESYS software. Go to Festo website. Search for CODESYS Development System. Click on Downloads tab. Select Software tab. Download and install the CODESYS Development System. Downloading the PLC Target Support Package. Search for CPX-E, CECM1PN. Select the controller. Click on Downloads tab. Select Software tab. Download the Target Support Package. Downloading the CODESYS function block for CMMT drive. Search for CMMT-AS. Select Servo drive CMMT-AS. Click on Downloads tab. Select Software tab. Download and extract the PTP function block for CODESYS 3.5. Note: for CMMT-SD, download the corresponding function block. Installing the Target Support Package and CMMT function block. Open the CODESYS installer. Click Change on the CODESYS 3.5 SP20. Click Install Files. Select the CPX-E, CECM1PN Target Support Package. Click Continue to install the package. A success message will confirm the installation. Follow the same procedure to install the CMMT function block. Configuring the IP address of the PLC. Open the Festo Automation Suite software and click on Device Scan. Displays the connected Festo devices in the network. Select the CPX-E, CECM1PN PLC. If multiple drives are connected, use the identification function to identify the appropriate drive from the list. Select Network Settings. Disable DHCP setting if it is enabled. Enter the IP address and subnet mask, then click Activate New Settings. The new IP address will be assigned to the PLC. Creating new project and configuring the PLC. Open CODESYS 3.5 SP20. Select Create New Project. In the template view, select the PLC family. Enter the project name and select the storage location. Click OK. The standard project dialog opens. In the device list, select the PLC used in the application. In the PLC PRG list, select the programming language. Click Add EtherCAT Master to configure the EtherCAT Master in the project. Click OK. Setting PLC connection path. In the Devices view, double-click the device, CPX-E, CECM1PN entry. The Communication Setting tab opens. Click Scan Network to search the local networks for all available devices. The Select Device dialog box appears with list of all devices where communication can be established. Select the PLC used in the project. Click on OK. The connection path of the PLC is set. Importing the CPX-E system modules into the project. From Devices view, double-click on CPX-E System. CPX-E System tab opens. Under Module Configuration, select Actual Configuration. Click Scan to scan the CPX-E modules. Click Apply to add the detected modules into the project. Configuring the drive. Under Devices view, right-click on EtherCAT Master. Click on Add Device. Add Device dialog box opens. From the list, select the CMMT-AS-MP-S1 point-to-point. Note: for CMMT-SD, select the corresponding device from the list. Click Add Device to add the device into the project. The required function block will be automatically imported in the Library Manager. Importing the function block. From the Devices view, open the PLC PRG. Under Toolbox, drag and drop the box and enter the function block name to add it into the editor. Auto Declare dialog box will open to declare the variable. Enter the name and select the data type for the variable, and click on OK. The process data object need to be linked to the function block's axis input. The device name is used as the axis reference. Follow the same procedure to import all the function blocks into the editor. MC Power, to enable and disable the drive. MC Reset, to reset inactive error in the drive. MC Home, to start the homing movement. MC Jog, to start and stop profile jog mode function. MC Move Relative, to start the relative movement. MC Move Absolute, to start the absolute movement. MC Read Axis Error, to read the current error in the drive. MC Read Actual Position, to read current axis position. MC Read Actual Velocity, to read current axis velocity. Compile the project. Adding the function block to Visualization Editor. Note: in this video, the Festo PTP block basic functionalities are demonstrated using the visualization. To add the visualization, from Devices view, right-click on Application, Add Object. Select Visualization. Click Add to add the visualization into the project. From Visualization Toolbox, select the Festo PTP base. The visualization for all the function blocks are shown. Search for the function block imported in the program. Select the function block. Drag and drop into the visualization editor. Assign the data block for the function block. Follow the same procedure for all the function blocks configured in program. Compile the project. Download the project to PLC. Switch the PLC to run mode. Basic functions with Festo PTP function block. Set enable to true for MC Read Axis Error, MC Read Actual Position, MC Read Actual Velocity function blocks to read the data continuously from the motor controller. To enable the drive, set the enable input to true. Once the drive is enabled, the output signal status turns to true. Homing the drive. To start the homing, set the execute input to true. Once the homing is done, from the output signal done turns to true. Note: in this video, the user units are shown in millimeters. Jog mode. To move the drive in positive direction, set the jog positive input to true. To move the drive in negative direction, set the jog negative input to true. Relative movement. Define the target position. Parameterize the dynamics for the movement. To start the relative movement, set the execute mode input to true. Once the drive reached the target position, the output signal done turns to true. Absolute movement. Define the target position. Parameterize the dynamics for the movement. To start the relative movement, set the execute mode input to true. Once the drive reached the target position, the output signal done turns to true. Diagnostics. When the drive is in error, from MC Read Axis Error function block, the Output Axis Error ID will provide an error number. The error code is displayed in hexadecimal. Convert it to a decimal value. Refer to the diagnostic code description in the manual. The manual link is provided in the description. In this example, search for the error code 229. After eliminating the fault, the error must be acknowledged. To reset the error, set the execute input to true. Once the error is reset, the output done will be turns to true. Now commissioning the CMMT-AS drive with Festo PLC via EtherCAT using Festo PTP function block is completed.